Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a video. This is a demo for a crowdfunding platform, like basically an MVP for a crowdfunding platform I made with Laravel 8 and MySQL. So I really want the video to be short, so I'm not really going to deep dive into the code. So if you want to check out the code, maybe plug into your local machine and review it. You can check it on GitHub. I'll post the link in the video's description. So let's get started. Actually, I've already launched my application in the browser. Like I open an account in Chrome here, but we're going to create an account. Okay, so let me just log this out. So we'll create our account, and I open another account here on Mozilla Firefox. So we're going to be able to work with two accounts and see how the application does everything seamlessly. Okay, so back to the code. So what the features our application has to implement is a user has to be able to register, log in, maybe create or start a donation, contribute to donations, delete donations they created, edit donations they created, make payments. And the payment, we are using the payment aggregator here called PayUnit. It was built by developers at 7GPS. It's really robust and easy to integrate, so do well to check it out. So okay, let's go to, before we create an account, let's just look at how the application is. Okay, I think we should create an account first. So I'll just go right to Chrome, I'll log in, I'll click on register. It takes me to a registration or sign up form. Why is that taking some time to load? So I don't know, I think I have to upgrade my Chrome browser. So okay, it opens this registration form, and let me say something if I continue. Like registration already been handled. Like it's easy to handle registration with Laravel out of the box. So that's one of the things I love about using Laravel. Like all registration, authentication for registering and login has already been powered by Laravel out of the box. So let's just create a new user or account. Let's say Mary Jane or something. Okay, let's use Marcus Garvey. A great man he was. Okay, so what's all this? Okay, let's just say Marcus at gmail.com. gmail.com. Let's put a password for this user, 1 to 9 to confirm it. Now let's register. Once we've registered, this user automatically logs us into the user's dashboard, and let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the dashboard for Marcus Garvey. So he's a new user, so has nothing, like he hasn't created any campaigns yet, so that's why his table is empty. But if we go back to Super Mario, you see that he has some campaigns because he has already created some campaigns, and these campaigns are not visible here because these campaigns can only be edited or deleted by Super Mario, the person or the user who created the account. So let's create some campaigns for Marcus Garvey. So we'll click on this button right here, create a campaign. Opens a create campaign form. Okay, so here it is. It has 3 fields: a campaign name, purpose of the campaign or goal amounts. So let's just fill in those forms real quick. Okay, let's just say Brandon, that's my name by the way. Amount 20k, and create campaign. Takes us back to our dashboard, and we'll see that the campaign has been created. Okay, see, this is a preview form to show the campaign details, and that's where we'll see the donation button to open or to start payments. This edit, like maybe we made a mistake while creating a campaign, this way we can edit that campaign. Delete, to delete the campaign. Okay, let's see preview. Let's look at the actions chronologically. Let's see preview. Okay, see, that's the name of the campaign. It's just a placeholder image I put in there. You see, that's a donate button. This is a share button, which hasn't been implemented yet. So this button, when you click here, you can share the campaign on social media. Okay, so that's it. The organizer, as the organizer's name, Marcus Garvey, as the campaign purpose or text, stuff like that. So you can, okay, let's see how payment is handled here. Remember, I said the payment aggregator here is PayUnit, which is really robust, seamless, easy to implement. So okay, you see some of the form fields are pre-filled. So okay, that's the campaign ID, the name of the campaign. Okay, so here we'll just maybe put in a message. Let's say tell the family they are finally safe. Oh, why is everything slow? Okay, enter an amount. Let's say 80k. Okay, let's take pay. Now this will direct us to the transaction gateway. I think that's how it's called. Yeah, PayUnit transaction gateway. And we'll have various payment methods that we can choose from to use. Okay, this is the first step. It's a 3-step process actually. So okay, these are the transaction methods. We have MTN mobile money, Orange Money, we have Visa and MasterCard. We also have PayPal. Okay, so here we choose MTN mobile money and we click on continue. Goes to step 2. Okay, that's the amount we want to debit our account. We enter the number with the mobile money account from which that the money will be withdrawn from. Okay, enter mobile number, pay. Okay, goes to step 3 to confirm or validate this transaction. Here it tells us to like maybe dial the USSD code to confirm this transaction on our mobile. Okay, once this is done, remember this is the sandbox environment, so all this ain't really happening. We're just trying to model it and see how it works, because this is a sandbox environment. We're doing this in a sandbox environment. So okay, payment has been successful. It's redirecting us back to our application. So this redirecting, you redirect us to a view called status, where we will see the status of the transaction, the amount, the transaction amount, and maybe a small message. Okay, we have distance for donating message, we have transaction status, success, transaction amount, that's the amount. Wow, that's a lot, 80k. Okay, so we can view all the campaigns, like maybe campaigns created by this user and other users, like all campaigns that exist on the platform. We can view it on this view campaigns. So if I go here, let's see all the campaigns. Okay, so okay, maybe to see campaign details, just like preview, click on read more. It opens the campaign's details. Okay, that's it. Okay, from here we can do payment again as we did in the previous campaign. So okay, I just want us to see how maybe we can delete things here. Maybe delete the campaign, because I'm not sure I've tried that yet. So let's go to our dashboard. Click here, dashboard. Okay, so okay, that's the dashboard. Look at this route, and most of these routes are protected, so you can't access this dashboard route if you are not logged in. So we'll see that at some point in the video, where we'll log out and try to access this route. We'll see that it's not possible. So let's delete this campaign. bam, it's deleted. So okay, if we delete this campaign here, maybe take note of the name, just to see how it's working seamlessly, how the application is working seamlessly. So take note of this campaign, Asania Family House Fire Fund. Okay, so let's delete it here. So the user who created this campaign is Super Mario. That's the reason why we're able to see it on his dashboard. So let's delete it. Okay, deleted. If we go back to the other account, which is Marcus Garvey, and we take show campaigns, we'll not be able to see the campaign. We'll just delete it, which is okay. You see, we can't see that campaign. I think it was something house fire fund. So yeah, it has been deleted, so we're unable to see it here. Okay, so I actually have I think I have like 4 users, so most of the campaigns are created by other users I created. Okay, so okay, let's try to test our protected routes. Okay, I think I'll just test one of them, just the dashboard, to see that maybe you can access it out once you are logged out. So log out takes us to our landing page. Okay, let's try to access dashboard from here. Once I log out, let's see, this will redirect us to the login form. Let's see how that works. Voila, there we are on the login form, because we're trying to access a protected route. So okay, I think I should maybe talk about my code for a little bit. So let's just go back to Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is the make payment controller. It essentially does just like one thing: handle payments. That's all it does. Then campaigns. What this campaign controller does is, here I'm carrying out 2 of the campaign's CRUD operations here, and the rest I'm doing it on the dashboard here. We're able to store a campaign. That means, as you can see here, we're able to save a campaign, and yeah, I'm able to like render all campaigns using this function here. So the campaigns controller basically does 2 things: that's to store a campaign and render all campaigns. Okay, I also have the dashboard controller, which does the rest of the CRUD operations. That shows a particular campaign's details, delete a campaign and edit a campaign. So you go right down, you see the delete method. Okay, you see delete, that's the table where id is equals to this id. Delete that and redirect us to our dashboard, just as our application behaves. Okay, so this update, like to edit the campaign, and I think that's it for this controller. We also have this. I also have this home controller. Yes. Okay. This one does one thing: returns the home page, which is a protected route. Okay, so that's it about controllers. Let's look at models. Okay, so I have this is the PayUnit model. I actually did it because I was having some issues requiring the PayUnit PHP SDK here. So I just made a copy of I just copied its class to this PayUnit model, and everything will be easier from here for me. So this is the user model, this is the campaign model for our campaigns table, this amount donated model. Okay, so that's basically it about our code. So that's the important stuff about the code. So like this code is in a public directory, so maybe you can clone it and contribute to it. Let's see how far we can take this MVP crowdfunding application. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.